Which of the following actions is a notary public cautioned against? The answer to this question can be found at the professional conduct section of the notary public license law, in which it states that a notary public is cautioned not to execute an acknowledgement of the execution of a will. So with this in mind, let's have a look at our 4 choices to determine our solution. Choice A states executing an acknowledgement of the execution of a will. That's precisely what we just read, and therefore seems to be our solution. But before we mark it as such, let's have a look at the other 3 choices just to be certain. Choice B states taking acknowledgments in person. In fact, this is part of the notary public's primary duties, and therefore choice B is not our solution. Choice C states administering oaths using the simplest form. Again, in fact, the law provides for a simple form terminology that notaries public use when administering oaths, and therefore choice C is not our solution. And finally, choice D states giving advice on non-legal matters. Now, of course, with legal matters, a notary public cannot give advice unless also an attorney, but for giving advice on non-legal matters, there is nothing in the law that states that the notary public cannot do so, and therefore choice D is not our solution, which leaves choice A, executing an acknowledgement of the execution of a will, as the correct solution.